Hi guys, Kathy here, and I actually got another 4 cups of blueberries, so I've decided to make another fresh blueberry pie. I'll give you the recipe here. It's 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Then you need the 4 cups of blueberries. You need your pie crust, and that's it. You mix this all together and you put some, I'll show you in just a minute what I do. Hold on. Okay, as you can see, I mixed all the dry stuff with my berries, and it calls for only a tablespoon of butter, but I put 2 tablespoons of butter. I like it a little richer. And you got to remember, this is just for fresh blueberries. This is not for frozen ones. And this doesn't give you a gooey, ooey bunch of sauce in it like you get from the grocery store. This gives you pure berries, which is really, really nice, especially with some vanilla ice cream on top. So I'm going to put the top on and I'll finish it off. Okay, well, here it is finished. Now remember, you don't have to make a lattice top if you don't want to. Just make sure you put holes in it so that it can breathe. And since I did some baking and whatnot when I was in the Army, I know how to do some of this little fancy stuff around the edges. So just make it any way you can. I'm going to put some aluminum foil around the edges. If you have those fancy ones so that they don't burn or get crust, really dark, you can put those on that you buy. I'm going to put them in the oven now, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. Well, here it is, guys, just out of the oven, and it was cooked at 375 degrees. I hope you'll enjoy this content. I will put the recipe in the bottom, and I hope that you will all give me a like, a comment, a subscription, or whatever you feel like doing. I love you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.